Hey, hi everyone. So we are recording this session. We are actually setting up a VM machine where this is VM machine where our operating system. Okay, I have created one operating system here, CentOS, and we need to create another two, and we need to make all three in one network, private network, and should be sharing and should be able to access internet from the system. Okay, so as per the I'm not doing on my own, so I have used this one AI to generate Copilot to generate my request. So we are going to create three hosts with 10, 11, and 12 IP addresses, and all these should be connected to each other in a private network uh, and able to access the internet. So for that, it has suggested that you will use two adapter per VM. So now we have created as per that we are going to create. Okay, so first thing it has said host network manager. We need to create one host network manager. Let me show you how I have done it. Okay, now you will go here home, and then no, we have to go to network, and then the first one I have chosen, and as per that, so host only network we have first chosen. So this one is 1.1 and 250 as per the Copilot suggestion. Okay, now next for each CentOS VM. Okay, so for each CentOS VM we have to do that. So before that, I need to create a snapshot of these two servers. Okay, this is the snapshot. We'll go to snapshot and then take a snapshot of this. Snapshot name will keep it CentOS node 02 something MongoDB uh, replica set. Okay, we have taken a snapshot, and then uh, not sure we have to use that snapshot. So we'll go to file here. Uh, we'll go back here, and then new virtual machine operating system name is will create will use ISO image or not so CentOS node 02 and ISO image is other okay, before that we need to find out how to use the snapshot. Okay, now we'll go to extension or here, then we'll machine uh, new mm, no, not here, and we'll clone. We are not able to clone it. Yes, see the cloning is there. Can we clone it? Yes, we are able to clone it. Okay, We have to stop this one, this host. So for that, NRT 0, not snapshot. We'll create a clone of it. Okay, so we'll create two clones. This is the name of the clone will be 02, and here full clone machine state, this. Mhm. Okay, finish it. Let's, so clone is there. Okay, this is okay. Now another clone, we need another clone of it. Clone it, make it 3. Okay, finish. Fantastic. Making a clone. Hmm. So we have finished making clones. What is this? Network adapter, enable network net, bridge adapter, NAT network, I think. Host only adapter. We'll use this one. Allow VMs. Okay. Then adapter 2 will be NAT network. NAT network. Okay. Allow. Mm, okay. This one. Then setting. So as per this, we'll go and see network adapter 1 attached to NAT. Adapter 2 host only adapter. Name this. Adapter 1 will be NAT and adapter 2 will be host only adapter. Okay, let's go back. Here network adapter 1 will be NAT. Okay, it will be NAT, and what is this is not allowed, and this will be host only adapter. Okay, choose the adapter name. This one allow all VMs. Okay, let's go here quickly. Setting network. First one will be NAT adapter. This is host only adapter. Okay, allow all VMs. Okay, and what we have done here, setting network, it is not allowed, right? So we'll bridge after allow all, and I'll move it back to net. Yes, this is how we'll do it. Okay, okay, and this here setting, and then network, then bridge adapter net, net. No, yeah, allow all VMs. Then we will change it to net network, and adapter. This one you will make it host only adapter. So our adapter will be this, and allow all VMs. And okay, so we have done that. What is this now? Okay. So we have done that, right? After 1 and after 2, NAT, and then host this attached to NAT. Okay. Let's assuming CentOS 7 and 8 interface is this host only. Device status identify interface. NM CLI device status. Configure static IP. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. Systemctl restart network. LMI connection up. This validate checklist. Internet access. Ping inter VM connectivity. Confirm static IP assignment. So what it is saying, you have to do in all the send the source only. Now look for the second interface. Usually this or this static IP address for 10. Repeat. Okay. Okay. Same. We have to repeat everywhere. Okay. Here we go. First we'll open this. We'll start it. We'll start it. We'll start it. पूरा नीचे ला के नहीं रखना है यार इसको. I-93. Super user login @1035. Super user. Terminal. Okay, terminal will open. Then what we have to do? We'll go to NMCLI device status. NMCLI device status. Connected, it is saying. Okay, connected it is saying. Okay, connected it is saying. Then look for second interface. This, okay. Then I have to cd sysconfig network scripts. Okay. cd slash etc sysconfig network scripts. etc sysconfig network. Huh? नेटवर्क है. नेटवर्क है, नेटवर्क है यार इसमें, तो ये क्या बोलता है, नेटवर्क हाइफन स्क्रिप्ट्स बोलता है, sys config, network hyphen now cd network. Huh? Oh my god, etc है या कौन सा है यार, etc sys config में नहीं है, ifcfg, ifcfg bi network created by anaconda. What is this? यहाँ पे तो कुछ ऐसा नहीं है यार, नेटवर्क मैनेजर, CentOS stream release 10, CentOS stream release 10. Ah, CentOS. Uh-huh. Stream release 10. Oh my God, ये लोग कैसे लोग हैं यार? What should you use instead? You're absolutely right. CentOS 10 has moved away from the legacy network script directory. That old school path was a part of traditional network stack and RS7 and earlier, but CentOS 10's network manager is now the default and preferred way to manage interfaces. Network manager. Okay, what you should we use instead? Use NMCLI network manager CLI. This is recommended method for managing network interfaces. Modify or create a static IP configuration. Use NMTUI text UI. Lets you edit connections and activate interfaces and set IP interactively. Uh, System connections. Directly config files is if absolutely needed. Network manager stores its profiles in system connections. These are files at a key file format. You can edit them directly, but it's safer to use NMCLI or NMDA to avoid syntax issue. If you're building modular labs or scripting automation, which I know you love, Babuji is the best friend. Want a reusable script to configure static IP bring interface up or down? I can wipe one for you. One 192.168 192 92.168.1.10 script using to configure static IP. Lab setup, I want clarity, auditability, and rollback potential. Okay, static IP setup script with an NMCLI. Uh, कॉपी लेकिन इसके अंदर नथ ही जाएगा ना भाई. CentOS 2 है भाई ये. अबे वन. अबे किधर जा रहा है यार तू. वन में. अरे मार पालो कन्हैया से कह दो कि घर पे तुम्हारे गरीब आ गया है. घर पे तुम्हारे गरीब आ गया है. यार, अब इसमें लिखना पड़ेगा मैंने। डैम इट। बहुत मुश्किल है भाई, इसको देखना और लिखना। हैश बिन बैश, हैश हैश एक्सक्लेमेशन स्लैश बिन स्लैश बैश। ओके, एंटर। कंट्रोल द आगे आना पड़ेगा। फिर क्या है, डिफाइन वेरिएबल्स, आई फेस, बहुत तकलीफ वाला काम है। ऐसा काम, फाइल, ये क्या है, मशीन शट डाउन। शट डाउन कर दिया। अभी यहाँ पे आए, यहाँ पे सेटिंग में गए, हाँ ये नेटवर्क में गए, ये यहाँ पे डिसेबल कर दिया, यहाँ पे ब्रिज्ड अडेप्टर कर दिया फॉर द टाइमिंग। ओके ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट इट। स्टार्ट इट। डालने के बाद रिसेट कर देंगे। ओके, so you have seen, right? So we have done so many things. Let me re-put it back, okay, in the next video. Okay, so good morning to everyone. This tutorial is, or not tutorial, we can say this experiment is on setting up 3 CentOS nodes with static IP addresses and with internet access. Okay, so I have created one CentOS node first. Okay, and then I have done so many different settings which we'll go through. Once that is done, then you can enable that network, okay, and with static IP addresses and with internet, and then we will make a clone of the node. So this is the second node I have already created. Okay, so let us go inside this node and see what is there, and we will try to implement the same. But before that, okay, how to make a clone like this? You select the offline. First you have to make the offline it. If it is running, it will not create clone. So switch it off and then right click on it and then clone it. Then you will see here 3, make it 3, then finish. Okay, so our node is created, third node is created from the clone. Okay, now one by one we'll see. So before that, we'll choose this one and then we'll go to network. And what we have done, we have changed, we have created one host only Ethernet adapter with this manual IP address. Okay, 192.168.1.1. So based on this, we will create 192.168.1.10, 1.11, and 1.12. Three nodes. Okay. So first thing first. This is the first. Then we have no network, cloud network. So we'll go back to the machine. Right. Then right click on the machine. Go to setting. Go to network. Make it first as a NAT network, second as a host only adapter, and then okay, this is a Ethernet which we have seen. Allow VMs and okay. So it is there. Let's power on it. Let's start it without GUI or GUI, even though. Let's check it out. Okay. We'll do some minor changes. करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मति होत सुजान रस्सी आवत जाते सिल पर परत निशान आंखें तेरी कितनी हंसी मैं मैं तो मौला मेरे terminal. So little bit of entertainment was there. cd slash app where we have created one script related to networking. Let's vi that one. Okay, so just bear with me. Network setup, this is the one. Okay, now if we go up, here it is 10 because we have copied it, because we have made a clone of it or copied it, so it will be here. So we need to make a changes. R1, then everything will be fine. It is fine. Okay, just need to make the changes. We'll come here. Okay. Okay, it's not done. We'll do it. So these are the commands we have to set it. Okay, so we have to define the interface. We'll use two different interfaces of this host. One is for internal static IP addresses, and one is for to get the internet access through the net interface. Okay, so connection name we have put it as static. This static IP address will be 11. Was only NAT TCP. We have given some name to this. Hmm. Okay, that's it. So this is the interface file. This is the script file we have created to set up automatically. Let's run is network setup.sh. Mm. What is that device? Let's see. Ping 8.8.8.8. Yes, we are getting the internet here, and then the same we will ping out from outside. Okay, we'll ping it from outside. Let's make it 10. Yes, we are getting this. Fine. So 2 we have created. Now the third one. Okay, go to setting, just check it out. Network, we have NAT network, we have host only adapter. Okay, everything is set here. Let's power on this machine. It's powering up. Okay. Mm, this is the third node. So I think you got it. What all things we have to do. Just make setting all the things on the first node. Okay, then you try to clone it so that the same can be copied here, and we can easily run a script to configure it. Okay, we have logged in as root terminal. Oh, come on. See, this is a problem with this. Yeah, lies. Okay, we have to make it like this. Terminal. Open the terminal and then cd directly to app where our that file is there, and vi to net setup, and then we go above change it to 12. R2. That's it. So where device? Where is the device? Okay. Okay. Let's run it. Network. Let us ping 8.8.8.8.8. Yes, it is coming. Let us ping 192.168. Mm, yes, it is. Great. Cheers, mate. Fantastic. See, we are here. Okay, so this is how we have to configure our servers for CentOS. Okay, let's close this one, power off this one. So I hope you got it, what we are trying to do it here. It's already powered off. Let's close this machine. Okay, that's it. Thank you all for